Will artificial intelligence take over the jobs of the accountants? Those students who are pursuing ACCA or CMA, will they be valued in the market or will they be run over by the technological change which is going to take over? So if you are a student and you have the same question, then make sure that you watch this video till the end. And also I'm also going to talk about which combination of qualification is good to be done. I keep getting questions that which qualification to do with ACCA or which qualification to do with CMA, which is a better combination. So if you are a student who wants to have a proper understanding about this combination of qualification and whether will you be valued or not in the market tomorrow, then make sure that you watch this video till the end. So for those students who don't know me, I'm Nasser Ghazanfar, a certified management accountant and a passionate teacher. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is going to take over maximum jobs, and the biggest risk is with the accountants. Now the question is it really risky for the accountants to get a job tomorrow? The answer to this is a yes and a no. The answer is yes, you will be out of the market if you have a learning attitude which says that I've learned it all, I don't need to learn once again to be in the market. If you have that kind of an attitude, you will be out of jobs, you will be out of employments. But if you are ready to upgrade yourself, you are ready to upskill yourself, like suppose if you are ready to learn IT. Now I'm not telling you that you need to learn complete information technology to be in demand in the market. What you need to do is nothing but you know how business processes work, you know how business accounting is done. What you need to do is a step further. How can you automate it? How you can make it more easy for the users of it? The thing is, IT has made lots of advancements through which the user experience has been evolved and they are more user friendly towards particular like accounting or anything. For example, previously accounting you used to do it on books, but now you do it on computers. Now that is going to be automated. Now how are you going to be there in it? How are you going to be in it? You will be in it as decision makers. You would be the persons who would read those financial statements, analyze those financial statements and give suggestions for the organization. Now there are quantitative things which the system can read. There would be much more qualitative things which system cannot read, and you will still be in demand. But the only question is you need to be enabled or you should be equipped to use those tools and softwares. Now what are the tools and softwares? Number one, you need to learn an ERP. Now which ERP? It can be Dynamics 365, it can be SAP, Oracle, anything which is related towards the finance and operations. You need to learn that. If you learn that, then you will be having more understanding of how you can integrate this financial and accounting concepts towards IT and be marketed tomorrow. You don't need to learn all coding and stuff from the start. You don't need to learn that. You only need to know that how you can liaise it with this particular software. Now coming up towards the next part of the video, which is which combination of qualifications is the best. Now I am really fed up of these questions coming up that ACCA के साथ CMA करना फायदेमंद होगा या नहीं, CMA के साथ CA, IFRS, CPA. I'm really fed up of all these stuff. The question is, accounting, auditing, taxation is one type of a qualification. You can choose one out of that particular stream. If you are doing CA, then you don't need to do CMA again. You don't need to do ACCA again. You can do it just because you get exemptions, but what are you doing? Are you adding on in your education or your skill set? The answer is no. You have that as a base. On that base only you go ahead and work for it. What you can do is nothing but suppose you have a good accounting finance major out there. You understand how accounting is done. You understand how finance business models are run. What you can do next is learn a IT tool, learn Power BI, learn a particular language which can be much useful for your organization tomorrow. Learn some accounting, like suppose if you want to get into auditing and much more into auditing, get into forensics audits. Like you can learn information technology which can be used in particular accounting auditing. If you do a combination of these two type of a thing of qualification, that will be best. You don't need to do MBA finance, CA, CMA, CPA. These all are in one stream. You don't need to keep on doing that stream qualifications only. If you ask me, I have done certified management accountant, CMA. The question is, will I do ACCA? Why should I do it again? Then comes, should I do CPA? Why do I want to do CPA? Or shall I do IFRS? The question is what you want to do. If you want to get into accounting, taxation, auditing, then do that. But do this also, because this will support you in the organizations tomorrow. I'm talking about technical skills. Now, these all are technical skills which I'm talking about. You also need to think about what are the interpersonal skills which you require. That is the main thing in the organizations to survive, because you should know how to handle people, you should know how to handle work pressure, you should know how to meet the deadlines and finish the work at that particular time, you should know what organizations want. If you have all these stuff in your mind, if you have all these skill set behind your belt, then you will be marketable tomorrow. And this is the set of qualifications which you need to do. You don't need to do any, like, CA plus ACCA is equal to 1 plus 1, that equals 2. But if you are doing something like CA or ACCA plus you are doing something in IT, that is 1 plus 1 equals 11. That's the synergy which you will create. You don't need to get into major of IT. Just do some minor of IT also, that will be more than enough. Understand how data is run, understand how business decisions are to be taken into consideration, what type of data is required for decisions to be taken in business. You know that, you already know that, because you know how business models run. And if you are able to understand, integrate these two, then you are going to be marketable and you are going to be there in demand in the market tomorrow. I hope that this particular video helps you a lot. I've talked about that you are not going to run out of jobs if you are ready to learn and upgrade yourself. And what best combination is there? I hope that you don't need any other clarification for it. I have made it once for all, and I am going to say it again and again. In fact, if you just see a video which I made it in May 2020, I'll just put that clip. This video I made it in May 2020. In that video, I gave explanation of all these qualifications, in which one you need to choose according to your interest. And in that video itself, I said that choose any one of it. You don't need to do all of it or 2 or 3 or combination of it. You just need to do one of it. That will be more than enough according to your interest, and then move on towards something which is complementing that particular skill. I hope that this video helps you a lot. I hope that you learn a lot from this video and take a wiser decision for your future tomorrow. And if there's anything else you want me to talk about, put it down in the comment section and I'll be making it up for you. And for those students who want to reach out to me, make sure that you reach out to me only through WhatsApp. Do not call me. I'll not be able to take your calls. If you just call me, that ring will go on and I'm not going to take that call. Make sure that you WhatsApp me with your complete question. Just don't say, hello sir, and then you wait for my reply and then come up with something. Put down your complete concern in that WhatsApp message. Then when I reply to you, you get your answer. And if suppose there is a video which I've already made for that particular answer, I'll just forward you that video and tell you that you need to watch this and you get your solution. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video, in which I'll be talking with few of the students who have cleared their knowledge level examination. Thank you very much for watching. Keep subscribing, keep supporting. Thank you.